Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the life of a truly legendary figure, someone often called the Father of all monks. I'm talking about Saint Anthony the Abbot, also known as Saint Anthony the Great. His story is incredible, filled with faith, struggle, and a whole lot of time spent in the desert. So, who was this guy? Anthony was born in the year 251 in Egypt, into a wealthy Christian family. When he was around 18 or 20, a life-changing event happened. After his parents passed away, he heard a passage from the gospel in church. If you want to be perfect, go, sell your possessions and give to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven. For Anthony, this wasn't just a suggestion. It was a direct call to action. He did exactly that. He sold his family's land, gave the money to the poor, entrusted his younger sister to a community of virgins, and headed out into the Egyptian desert to live a life of prayer and solitude. This was a radical move. At the time, organized monasticism didn't really exist. Anthony was a pioneer, one of the first to seek God by retreating completely from the world. He started by living in an old tomb and moved deeper into the desert, eventually settling on a mountain near the Nile. Of course, it wasn't a peaceful retreat the whole time. The most famous stories about Saint Anthony involve his intense spiritual battles. He described being tempted and tormented by demons in various forms, trying to lure him away from his path with boredom, laziness, and visions. But Anthony's faith never wavered. He fought back with prayer and fasting, proving that spiritual discipline could overcome any obstacle. His reputation for holiness grew, and soon people started seeking him out. They wanted his wisdom, his guidance, and his prayers. Despite his love for solitude, Anthony would emerge to counsel these followers. He organized them into a community of hermits, where each person lived in a separate hut, but came together for worship. This laid the foundation for Christian monasticism as we know it. He wasn't just a hermit. He was a leader and a teacher. Even in his old age, Anthony remained a powerful figure. He came out of his seclusion to support the church during times of persecution and to preach against heresies. He lived to be an astonishing 105 years old, a testament to his simple lifestyle and unwavering spirit. His life shows us the power of total commitment and the idea that true wealth isn't found in material possessions, but in a rich spiritual life. So that's a quick look at Saint Anthony the Great, the man who went into the desert and changed the world. What an inspiring story of faith and perseverance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more stories like this. See you in the next one.